don't put me into the game. Yeah, it's gonna crash if you put me into the game, fucking moron. Image quality. Not 200, not 200. Oh, what? No! No, the MacBook crashed. Oh. Yes. Please. Since Apple has switched their Macs from Intel to Apple Silicon and processors, gaming on Mac has become a thing. Even developers themselves have started to port their games to the Mac. I myself have used my MacBook Air from 2020 to play video games on the way back from Japan. I was sitting in the plane and there I was playing the remake of Resident Evil 3. The people besides me were pretty much confused by what I was doing, but I mean, gaming on a Mac has now become a thing. But now let's turn back the wheel about 10 years. This right here is an MacBook Air from 2015. Question this begs for me is, would it be possible to play modern video games on a MacBook like this? Oh, well, I don't know. Alright, before we do anything else, I have to do the most unholy thing that I can do to this MacBook Air, and that is to install Windows. Thanks to this MacBook Air still having an Intel processor, it is as easy as clicking 2 buttons and creating a bootcamp partition that installs Windows 10 for us. What? Why are you rebooting? I didn't... What? Wait, what? Hi, Windows, alright. Oh, whoa, whoa. Who's going to use the PC? Jeffrey Epstein. Yeah, I came in with the saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with the saw. Bitch, I play red wrong. We are starting. Oh. 60 frame, yes. Alright, well. Half-Life approved. Alright, let's try Half-Life 2. Let's see if this bad boy runs Half-Life 2. Alright, yeah, okay. Okay. This is too good. Let's go into save file. Yeah, right. These are 60 FPS. Yeah, these are 60 frames per second. What up? No, whoa, what do you want, huh? What do you want? Fucking Combine soldier? Come here. And what? Stand by. What you gonna do, bitch? Oh. Of course, this 2015 MacBook Air has no problem with running Half-Life and Half-Life 2. I mean, these games are older than some of the viewers on this channel. But is this MacBook Air able to give me the same experience my MacBook Air from 2020 gave me in the airplane while playing Resident Evil 3? I'm not sure. It probably won't. Let's see if this one runs Resident Evil 3. We have Resident Evil 3 now ready to be played on this MacBook Air, so let's see if it works. And to fully have that airplane experience I had on my way back from Japan, I'm going to connect this PS5, the same PS5 controller I used back then. Come on. Is it? If this game works, yeah, there we go. Fatal application exit. Alright, the problem that I faced here was that I had downloaded the DirectX 12 version of Resident Evil 3. With DirectX 12, there was support added for ray tracing, but, well, this Mac wouldn't support ray tracing even if it tried, so I had to backtrace the older version, the DirectX 11 version of Resident Evil 3, which is conveniently still in Steam. You just have to go to versions and click on DirectX 11 version. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. It's recognizing it as the DirectX 11 non-ray tracing version. The controller is still connected. Come on. Still got that flickering. Alright, Capcom, yes. Reach for the moon engine. Why is it flickering? What the fuck? Last time they were this. Okay, autosave. Please, MacBook. I'm believing in you. Right, so full screen. That doesn't mean anything because probably crash again, right? No? Holy fuck! Fuck! Oh, okay, wait. No, we were so close. No. Game did not shut down correctly. Please. Whoa, DirectX 11 makes it work. What the fuck? Wait, the graphics. Let's put them all to low. Play mode. Borderless window. All right. Image quality. Not 200. Not 200. Turn everything. No, too low. Oh, what? No, the MacBook crashed. No. We were so close. No. No, don't revert to previous. It crashed. I want to go to the settings. Don't put me into the game. Yeah, it's gonna crash if you put me into the game, fucking moron. Why are you crashing? Oh yeah, cool. That is also really cool. Fuck you. Holy fuck! No. All to fucking low. The lowest that is possible. You can't even read them. Yes, I want to keep this. Oh, yes, please. New game, standard. Oh yeah. Oh, damn. Okay. Oh, okay, wait. Should we skip this? Let's skip it. Pray it doesn't crash. It crashed. Alright, it's the next day and I've given up on Resident Evil 3. So I've downloaded Resident Evil 2 Revelations, a quite older game. I think it's from 2015. I don't know. I think it's from 2015. It's quite old. But let's try to launch it here. The controller, does it do anything? No. Well, I can't use the controller, right? So I can use the controller, but this is quite... Alright, wait, let's make it a little louder. Alright, let's check if the campaign works. Oh, alright. The, seems to... Ooh.
Good. Let's pick up the pace.
I don't remember anything about this game. So long ago I played this game. Open. It looks like shit. Like, for real. It looks ass. Start. Okay. Yeah, I think this proves it. This MacBook is able to run something at least. Okay, these models look terrible, but I mean it's running. It is running. Alright, so as a final conclusion, can you game on this MacBook Air? Yes, of course you can game on this MacBook Air. I mean, you've seen it, Half-Life 1 and Half-Life 2 runs pretty fine, and I'm assuming Minecraft will probably run pretty okay. But more modern games such as Resident Evil 3, just, I don't know, if you play the original one, stick to that and it will work, because I think this MacBook will be pretty fine with emulation. But don't try modern games on this thing. Fucking moron.